Hi everyone, thanks for watching the video here on how to correct your fall gradebooks. So we're going to start by navigating to Schoology, and then you're going to click on your courses. From courses, you're going to click See All, and then we need to navigate to our archived courses because we're talking about fall that's just passed in the 17-18 school year. So I'm going to click here. It's usually first on your list. So fall 17-18. Okay, so I can see that this is my fall grade book. I'm going to need to, or excuse me, my fall course. I'm going to need to navigate over here to gradebook. Okay, once I'm in the gradebook, I am going to have to navigate to bulk edit. Now, I've already corrected my gradebook, so yours is going to look a little bit different. Right here, where mine says fall 17, yours are all going to say no grading period, and this is the error that we have to correct. Every assignment that you posted needs to be assigned to a grading period. So that's going to be fall 17, and you'll need to do this for every single assignment in your course that you want associated with your gradebook. So fall 17. When you get to the bottom of your page and you've done it for all of the assignments, you're going to need to save changes. Okay. One note here is don't forget to do all the pages of your assignment. So I have 2 pages of assignments, so you'll need to navigate to the second page after you've saved and assign these all to fall 17 again. All right, once you've completed that page, you'll save changes again, and then we'll navigate back up to the top and go back to our course. You'll find your gradebook once again, and you'll notice that I have grades, but I have no assignments listed here, and that's because I need to fix this where it says all grading periods. It needs to say fall 17. Once fall 17 loads, you'll see that I have all of my assignments now input. Okay. If you have any questions, please come see us in the EdTech space. We are happy to walk you through this in person. Thank you.